Hi, beloveds. So the other day, I was on my way to teach a college class in sociology, and the most adorable turtle blocked my way, and it was moving slow, slow as turtles do, and I didn't have an extra 10 minutes to wait for it to cross the road, so can you relate to that? And thankfully, my spouse had left the house right when I did, and he was right behind me, so he removed the turtle, and I made it to my sociology class on time. And it was so cute. I really enjoyed meeting my animal neighbors, and I think it was like a box turtle or whatnot. And as much as a brief inconvenience it was, I'm reminded of our neighbors, human and animal, plants, and our environment, that we must coexist with compassion, love, and consideration. And what if we thought twice about our actions and not run over other people just because we're in a rush, or just because we're thinking solely about ourselves, solely about our needs? The ramifications of doing anything besides that, would be painful and generational, and it really starts with us. That's what it got me thinking, and it can start big or small. It can start with helping a scared little turtle cross the road. Every deed, small or large, it just ripples. It ripples across the universe, it ripples across our spirits, and it ripples across our hearts. And so have you had a similar inconvenience that interrupted your day, but it turned out to be positive in its own way? I'd love for you to share what small or large deeds you're doing or that you want to do to help make the world a better place. Because I'm on a mission to advance social justice in the workplace. And I do this through empowering job seekers and college students with career wellness and helping communities flourish. So if you'd like to work with me, please be in touch. Visit innovativespirit.org, sign up to my email list. I would love to work with you. Take care. Bye-bye.